Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to do a science project, magic light. Let's see how to do this. To do this project, we need battery, 3 to 3 pin, round magnet, central circuit, and finally we need this one. What is this? Reed sensor. First we need to connect 3 pin magic pen and stick this sensor on double tape. After that we connect this 3 pin connector at input 1 place. Here is it is input 1. I connected this 3 pin at input 1. After that we need to connect LED light. I am going to stick this at this place, and after that I connect this connector at output. Here is output location. Circuit. It is very simple. It is elementary project and easiest DIY project. It's suitable for kids. Now I am going to give power supply to entire circuit. Now I do turn on this battery. See here, we can observe power on this circuit. We are going to do nearly 30 DIY projects in our channel. Please do subscribe.